Rubber shock pad installation operation. Required tools show: screwdriver, rubber shock pads, peristaltic pump, mounting bracket, scissors. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the pump head housing screws. Remove the housing. The pump head mounting holes exposed. Snap the short handle end of the rubber cushion into the hole in the mounting bracket. Perform the same mounting operation for the remaining 3 rubber shock pads. Thickness of mounting bracket less than or equal to 2 mm. The peristaltic pump is attached to the mounting bracket. Thread the long handle end of the shock pad into the pump head mounting hole and snap it into place. Snap the 2 recesses of the rubber shock pads into the pump head mounting holes and the mounting bracket mounting holes. Cut off the excess of the 4 rubber shock pads. Check the rubber cushions for mounting problems. Attach the disassembled pump head housing to the peristaltic pump. Installation operation completed.